Spiders and skull beads, pumpkins, Pegasus, cobra snakes and dinosaurs, princesses. There's a lot.
I'm here in San Francisco today to meet up with my friend Pavel at Earth Fire Arts to learn about making ceramics.
Using clay, painting something.
I'm definitely not an artist, so nobody make fun of me.
Earthfire's been here a couple of years. You can just drop in anytime and paint pottery. That's Nala, by the way. She's the store dog. The first thing you're gonna do is pick a piece to paint. You're gonna wipe your piece all over. This is a special paint. The paint has clay in it.
If I paint wrong color, I can change.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm gonna show you what the basic techniques of molding clay are. The first one is pinching. You kind of make it into like a ball and press it down, and then on the side, you're pinching it, right?
It's really cold and it's like hard to move. I think I have weak hands.
It's going okay?
Yeah, it's going good. Great. The second is coiling, like it sounds, rolling this out. This is a coil project that was done last week. The third technique is slabbing. With your roller, start rolling it, trying to create an even surface. You can make designs in your clay. Slab surface can be molded over shapes.
I don't think I'm very good at this.
She's doing a great job.
Now that you know what to do, drop in the studio anytime and do some clay molding.
Today is the first day I play with the clay.
It was a blast, just getting to know somebody and connect with other local guides and do a really fun day.
And today I got a new friend, Troy, and it's really awesome. I also make a cup. You can try tea here.
I think that is a lot more difficult than it appears. I have a pretty interesting ashtray design. We'll call it a plate.